We're set up. 59 right now. Oh, I need the phone. I need this. It's 59. Ignore the old phone. I didn't have another device. Alright, I got another camera set up on the hill. Should be fun. I'm pacing back and forth, I'm so nervous. See the other camera right there? I don't really care about the other shot, really. I care about this one. You hear the dogs? Hello, it really was not that loud. That was not as loud as I remember it being. Where's my lens cap? There it is. That really was not that bad. Not as loud as I remember the Eclipse being. Put my camera right here. I go get the other one. Right there. Yeah, that was not that loud. It wasn't that bad. Oh, shit. Even then, it was just a little alert blast, so it wasn't a lot, but yeah, pretty good Eclipse. Looks like the Darley's dead. Hopefully my rotor shot didn't get fucked. Let's take a look. How's it looking? Oh, I completely missed it. Fuck. Oh, that's fine. That is A-okay. My camera's almost dead. That's great. Alright. That is fine. I don't really care about this shot much, though. Got my tripod. It's covered in snow. But yeah, that does it for the Eclipse 8 test in Gackle, North Dakota as of the day. Let me check. February 23rd. It's a Sunday. Did not think it was going to go off, actually. Shoot. But yeah, that was a pretty cool test. Good job, Gackle. You went off on time.